Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to archive email in Outlook. For this, first of all, we open Outlook. So, click on Outlook, and Outlook will start opening in front of you. Once Outlook is open in front of you, hey, you can see these are the emails, and I wanted to archive one email between them. For archiving an email, select one and right-click on it. After that, these options will appear in front of you. In these options, we will click on the second option, Archive. Click on it. After clicking, your post will be archived. For finding that email, go to the left side of your PC screen, and here you will see a button of Archive. Click on it. After clicking, you can see here your email has been saved in the Archive folder. And we will see how we can unarchive this mail. So, right-click on it, and these options will appear in which there is no button for Unarchive. For unarchiving, click on the Move button, and here you can see 3 options are available. After clicking, you can see we can send back to the inbox. So, click on it. After clicking, your email will be back in your inbox. That's the way to archive email in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.